Today, Haier is the #1 refrigerator brand in the world. Haier refrigerators are available in almost every possible capacity that Indian households want. From 52 liters to 712 liter capacity of refrigerator, you name it and we have it. Haier is India's #1 bottom-mounted refrigerator brand. Key reasons to buy Haier BMR: 8-in-1 convertible, Chukna Mat, twin inverter technology, twin energy saving mode, turbo icing, and 2x bigger wedge box. Haier Premium SBS refrigerators are a unique blend of bottom-mounted, side-by-side and two-door side-by-side refrigerators. And the key reasons to buy Haier SBS are: convertible zone, twin inverter technology, dual zone, that is, separate zones for humid and dry stuff, triple cooling system, antibacterial technology, and holiday function. Haier frost-free range comes equipped with a plethora of features, and key reasons to buy Haier top mount are: 5-in-1 convertible, twin inverter technology, twin energy savings, turbo icing, and easy slide shelf. Haier Direct Cool is a perfect cooling master that offers many amazing features, such as: key reasons to buy Haier Direct Cool are: 1R icing technology, best in energy savings, stabilizer-free usage, and thicker insulation. Haier India launches its new range of color patterns to amuse you this summer. We also bring you the slimmest SBS refrigerator in black steel finish and a French door in 550 liter capacity to cater to all the unending needs. Haier refrigerators encompass 5 key features: BMR technology, convertible technology, twin inverter technology, energy saving technology, and glass door refrigerators. Haier is India's #1 bottom-mounted refrigerator, reduces bending up to 90% and gives you a refrigerator where it's easy to see things, easy to find and pick up things, and of course, easy to put things back, and 2x bigger wedge box. Convertible refrigerators convert the freezer into a fridge and then back into a freezer. Haier's India lineup features 8-in-1 convertible range, 5-in-1 convertible range, and triple cooling convertible range. Twin inverter technology ensures that both the compressor and the fan motor works at DC current, making less noises, providing excellent cooling while maintaining steady temperature throughout the refrigerator. Haier is the only brand to offer 10 years warranty on both the compressor and the fan motor. Haier's top mount and bottom mount gives you a 5-star performance due to twin energy saving modes. Mode 1 saves 15% energy and Mode 2 saves 30% energy. Glass door refrigerator adds more beauty in the house because of its state-of-the-art glossy finish. Haier glass door refrigerators are dust-free, scratch-resistant, and rust-proof, adding luxury to your life. Haier defines the nomenclature of its models in such a way that it is very easy to understand and recognize the model type with the model number. For example, if the model number is HRB-2964PSG-E, then H will stand for Haier, R for refrigerator, B for bottom mounted. 296-20 shall be the liter capacity. 4 shall denote 4-star rating. P for premium category, S stands for the color, and G for the pattern. E stands for the refrigerant gas. The refrigerator has 5 major components that are the backbone of a refrigerator: expansion device, evaporator coils, condenser coil, compressor, and the refrigerant. Haier was founded in the year 1984 in Qingdao and has been the world's #1 brand of major appliances for 10 consecutive years and a global turnover of more than $30 billion. Haier welcomed the Indian consumers to the world of inspired living in the year 2004 when the brand was established in India with a massive 40-acre manufacturing facility at Ranjangaon, Pune. Haier, the #1 refrigerator brand of the world, is now the fastest growing refrigerator brand in India. Haier, inspired living.